types of numbers. In these types of numbers, yes, we will be going to see natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rationals, irrationals, even, odd, primes, co-primes. As co-primes are also called as relatively primes and composite numbers also. So those we will see one by one. The first one is natural numbers. Natural numbers. For the counting purpose, then we are using some numbers. Counting purpose numbers are called as natural numbers. Natural numbers are indicated by the English alphabet number, capital number, that is n. So natural numbers are starts from 1. Natural numbers are starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to so on. Here the first natural number is 1. That is also called as a least natural number. What is the least natural number? Least natural number is 1. So then what about the greatest or so the biggest natural number? Biggest natural number does not exist. So it means after 8, 9 is there, after 9, 10 is there, after 99, 100 is there, after 1 lakh, 1 is there. So the numbers, it keeps going on like that only. These are infinitely are there, unlimited numbers are there. So that's why least natural number is 1, and the biggest or the greatest natural number does not exist. Does not exist means we cannot write. So then here, so because of these numbers are unlimited numbers are there. So then here, then one note is there, the biggest note is in the natural numbers, in the set of natural numbers, 0 is not there, keep that in mind. In the set of natural numbers, 0 not there. 0 not there. In the set of natural numbers, 0 is not there. 0 is not there, keep that in mind. Finally, what I am concluding, these natural numbers, it is indicated by the capital letter, English alphabet capital letter N. The least natural number is 1. The biggest natural number does not exist. In the set of natural numbers, 0 is not there. And the set of natural numbers are infinitely are there. Unlimited natural numbers are there. If you start write these natural numbers, then we can write our lifelong also. So, infinitely are there these natural numbers. Next one is whole numbers. What is the first letter? W here. Whole numbers are indicated by the capital letter in English alphabet W. If you just add, otherwise if you keep 0 to the natural numbers, if you keep the 0 to the natural numbers, in the set of natural numbers, suppose these are the set of natural numbers, if 0 is also one of the element or one of the digit, then these are called as a whole numbers. So then whole numbers, so 0, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to so on. So these dots are indication. What is the indication of after 8 these dots? After 9 is there, after 9 10 is there, next 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to so on. Unlimited, infinite whole numbers are there. So then here, these 1 to infinite numbers are natural numbers only. These are natural numbers only. If in the natural numbers, if 0 is also one of the element or one of the digit, then these are called as a whole numbers. Then what are that? Whole numbers. What is the smallest whole number? What is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number is 0. So biggest whole number. What is the biggest whole number? Does it exist? Does it exist? No. So biggest whole number, so does not exist. Does not exist means we cannot write. There is no. After that one more number is there. After that one more number is there. So finally the whole numbers are indicated by the letter W, capital letter in the English alphabet. Smallest whole number is 0 and biggest whole number does not exist. What is the smallest whole number? It's mentioned 0 only. What is the smallest natural number? Smallest natural number 1. Smallest natural number is 1. Smallest whole number is 0. So biggest whole number does not exist. Biggest whole number does not exist. Biggest natural number also does not exist. Natural numbers are indicated by letter N. Whole numbers are indicated by letter W. All the natural numbers here. My question is, so can I say that all natural numbers are whole numbers? Yes. All natural numbers are whole numbers only. All natural numbers are whole numbers only. All natural numbers are whole numbers only. Can I ask you one question? What about the canvas of this question? Canvas means reverse of the question. Can I say that all whole numbers are natural numbers? No. Why? So because of in the set of natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on, that only. But whereas in the whole number 0 is extra. 0 extra element is there, that is 0. So that's why all natural numbers subset of W only. So it means all natural numbers are called as the whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not a natural numbers because of one extra element. 0 is there in the set of whole numbers. Keep that in mind. Our next topic is integer numbers. Integer numbers. So integer numbers. So it is indicated by the letter Z, or it is denoted by the letter I, capital I. So here in this positive numbers and negative numbers including zero. These are called integers. In this integers, set of natural numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set of natural numbers are there. In this only, set of whole numbers are also there. See, these are set of whole numbers. These are only natural numbers, but including 0. These are set of whole numbers. Whole numbers plus negative numbers. So negative numbers, including these. So these are integer numbers. Then here positive integers are there. What are the positive integers? Positive integers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to so on. So negative integers. So z upon then plus means then here positive integers. Negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 up to so on, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. What about 0? 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So that's why this is neutral value. It's kept in the middle only. So finally what I am telling you here. So then positive numbers, negative numbers including 0 are called as integers. Here my question is, what about smallest integer? What is the smallest integer? Can it exist or not? What about greatest integer? Does it exist or not? Now we will see those questions. What about the smallest integer? Then here, then every student they should smallest integer. Then every student they should recollect one thing. Every positive number is greater than. Every every positive number is greater than, so negative number, and 0 is also a greater than negative number. Every positive number is greater than negative numbers. 0 is less than positives and greater than negatives. Keep that in mind. Once again I am telling you. So positive numbers are greater than 0 and negative numbers are less than 0. Otherwise, if you want to tell some words about 0, 0 is smaller than positive numbers. 0 అనేది పాజిటివ్ నంబర్స్ కంటే చిన్నది. బట్ 0 ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ నెగిటివ్ నంబర్స్. 0 అనేది నెగిటివ్ నంబర్స్ కంటే పెద్దది. రైట్? సో నా ఇప్పుడు స్మాలెస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్. మరి స్మాలెస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ అంటే ఏమవ్వాలండి? స్మాలెస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ వీటిల్లో చిన్న అంకె మరి ఏమవ్వాలి? చిన్న అంకె ఏమవ్వాలి? One more question, let me ask you. Is that 1 is greater or minus 5 is greater? Minus 1 is greater or minus 5 is greater? Minus 1 is only the greatest number. Minus 5 is the smallest number. Let me ask you one more question. Is the minus 10 or minus 15 is the biggest one? Minus 10 is only the biggest one. Minus 15 is the smallest one than 10. Here suppose if you want to keep here greater and less than symbols, so then minus 10 is the greater number, then here minus 1 is the greater number, right? So then what about my question? Then what is the answer for this question? What is smallest integer? Smallest integer is nothing but the biggest negative value. So it means negative symbol, if this having the biggest number it should having the negative symbol, then where is that? It does not exist. So that's why smallest negative, so does not exist. Smallest negative does not exist. Then what about the biggest negative? Then what about the biggest negative symbol? Biggest negative one, biggest. Smallest integer it's okay. Biggest integer. What about biggest integer? Biggest integer means definitely in positive numbers only. So because of positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers. I should then search this biggest integer in the positive numbers only. Then after 6, 7 is there. After 7, 8 is there. After 8, 9 is there. Up to so on, then 100. After 100, 101. After that, then 1000. After 1001, lakh. Then plus 1. So these numbers keeps going on like that. So we cannot say biggest integer also. It is also does not exist. Then here my one more question is what about biggest negative integer. Does it exist or not? Negative integer, biggest, that is also biggest negative integer. What about biggest negative integer? Minus 4 is greater or minus 3 is greater one? When we compare minus 4, minus 3 is the bigger than minus 4. Minus 2 is bigger than minus 3. Minus 2 is bigger than minus 3. Minus 1 is bigger than minus 2. So that's why biggest negative integer is minus 1. Keep that in mind. Smallest positive integer. Next one. Smallest positive integer. So 6 is bigger than 5, 5 is bigger than 4, 4 is bigger than 3, 3 is bigger than 2, 2 is bigger than 1. So smallest positive integer is 1, but 0 is neither positive nor negative. Finally, what I am concluding here, integers are nothing but positive numbers and negative numbers, then including 0. Smallest integer does not exist, biggest integer does not exist. Biggest negative integer minus 1, Then smallest negative, smallest positive integer is 1. Here one more question. My question is, can I say that all natural numbers are integers? Yes. All natural numbers are integers only. All whole numbers are also integers only. All natural numbers are integers. All whole numbers are also integers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers only. Keep that in mind. But conversely, it is false. Can I say that all integers are natural numbers? No. All integers are whole numbers? No. But all whole numbers are integers. All whole numbers are integers. All natural numbers are also integers. But converse is wrong. Converse is wrong.